Let's challenge the notion of aging and explore how technology can enhance our health and overall well-being. Embrace a new paradigm, rewrite the narratives. We will redefine what is normal in aging. It is happening already. Here and there is a maverick pushing the limits. Invest in time and money to redefine our true potential. We see refinement in how our cells are rejuvenated, equipped with the tools they need to function optimally. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy, it's a reality just within our grasp. We're on the cusp of a new era where the word impossible is obsolete. We transcend the known limitations. So, are we ready to become unlimited? Ready to unlock potential we never knew existed? Welcome to the dawn of a new age.